YouTube now allows you to translate any YouTube video into your own language. This is a game changer for anyone who speaks a different language or needs subtitles in their native language. YouTube will automatically translate the video and present you with auto-generated subtitles, even when the original user who uploaded the video doesn't add the language you need. I love this feature, and it is an incredibly powerful accessibility feature. Number 1. Click on CC Closed Caption button. Number 2. Click on the round setting button. The language list will pop up on the number 3. Choose the language you want to translate. It is that easy. Bill Vargas is an independent Medicare agent. That means he works for you, not the insurance companies. He is a veteran serving the Medicare needs of veterans and seniors. Go to his website insuredmeds.com for more information and to arrange meeting online. Text him at 845-380-5809. Please like, share and subscribe. This video can open a whole new world of information for you, your family and friends. Please share this video. He is licensed in New York, Florida and North Carolina.